Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we're gonna learn about resources and wants. So we all have numbers of wants and certain thing that we need. So what is wants? Well, wants are unlimited because you might want it more and more and more. Next is stuff that we really need. Is that thing we call it resources. Resources the only thing that we can only afford it to buy certain thing that you need. So resources are limited. There are three types of resources. There are natural resources. There are things that come from nature, such as timber, oil, minerals, etc. We can use timber to make things like paper or to build houses. Oil, we need them to power car, or like oil we use to cook, not like the oil we use to power car. We use oil like olive oils to cook. Next is human resources. Human resources are things that come from us, like innovation and ideas, labor, etc. Innovation are things that improve our life or productivity. So we're human. We create a lot of stuff for our life. Like we created this computer so that we can do stuff on it, make a video, learn and research. Next is capital resources. Capital resources refer to things like money or machinery. Machinery is used to build or manufacturing products. Like this mics. I'm using this mics to speak to you. I'm using this computer to do stuff on it, research and make money on it. Now let's practice. So we know that resources and wants, we have learned all about it. Let's have an example of it to prove that wants are unlimited and resources are limited. So Elon Musk is the richest man in the world today. Not today. I mean, Elon Musk is the richest man now. Maybe someday more Elon Musk might not be the richest man. A few day later, or maybe a year later, or many years later. But right now, Elon Musk is the richest man in the world. He owned over like $241.3 billion, and he owned Tesla. But he wants a lot of things. Let's say he wants to buy Apple, but he has those many money. I mean, like you can buy anything with that. But can he buy everything with that? Well, Apple is over like $2 trillion in 2021. We don't know how many money it is now in 2023, but it is $2 trillion in 2021, which is a lot of money. And Elon Musk only have over like $241.3 billion. And $2 trillion is more than $241.3 billion, $241.3 million billion dollar. So Elon Musk must have more money to buy this Apple company. So even he cannot buy everything he wanted. He cannot buy everything. He cannot buy stuff like the Apple company. Now let's practice after we have proved that wants are unlimited. Now let's practice. So what type of resources is lumber? Lumber are totally gonna be natural resources because they're things that come from nature. Next, what type of resources is money in your saving account? What type of resource is money in your saving account? Well, we know that capital resources are money and machines. So this and it is saying money in your saving account. Something to do with money would be capital resources. What type of resources is labor or hard work? We know that human resources is people and what they do. And labor and hard work are things that people do. So this would be human resources. Question. Are the resources needed to fulfill our wants limited or unlimited? We know that resources needed to fulfill our life so that we can live. But our wants are unlimited. We don't need that. But let's say here, are resources needed to fulfill our wants limited or unlimited? Resources would be limited because that's something you need. What type of resources is an idea or an invention? What type of resources is an idea or an invention? Well, idea and invention is coming from people. We're the one who came up with the idea, and we're the one who came up with invention too. We don't know we don't know that in the future. Maybe machine also have an idea or invention too. But right now, human resources is an idea and a resource and invention too. And thank you for coming. I hope you have a good day.